Today, we're at the RV show. We're at the Portland Expo, where every RV you've ever wanted has got to be in this building. They have 5 buildings, an entire food court, and we are so itching to get an RV. This looks amazing for van life. It's super tiny. It's actually smaller than any van I think I've ever seen. But the bed folds up. You can even turn around. I love that. These are beautiful. You have the little button to open things, keep them nice and secure. This turns into your bed.
I think I'm standing in the bed.
You are standing in the bed. All right.
Here's the big test.
Can he walk?
I can walk, but my head also hits the top. The air conditioner.
Oh, so close, so
man.
close. Can you get in the shower?
Okay.
It's right behind you.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
Not quite. Not quite.
Not quite. It was a good try.
I sit down to shower. You got to try on the RVs for the giant man.
This man, 6'5". He fits in nothing.
Do I fit? I don't fit. This looks like a mobile bar.
It does look like a mobile bar.
That should just be not coffee. That should be just
Look,
covered with
and
booze.
It's totally my size. I don't even have to have a step stool or anything.
No, that looks a little high, a little tall.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm normal size.
How do you stand in this one? Can you?
No.
No?
I wouldn't be able to stand. But there's a potty.
That happens.
There's a back door. Oh, and the TV is like an entire back wall.
I guess that's the bed. This is like a one man's escape.
But you know what the best part is? There's a fireplace.
All right.
You got to get the full experience here. I'm pretty sure this is as big as our first apartment. Not the RV, just this storage unit.
Just the storage.
This RV is gigantic. Oh my God. This is lovely. It's probably nicer than our home. Fireplace.
Of course, you gotta have the ambiance.
Giant TV. Football is
Look,
always needed.
We're on TV.
It's not even crowded in here. Like, there's even room, I would say, for 2 people. I might still kick Weston out of the kitchen, and it's so tall that even if I jumped, it wouldn't matter. I would not get to the ceiling. It's so big.
So remember when you said don't get in the shower?
I did.
This is because they locked, I think, this door.
And you wondered why I said that?
Yeah.
It's the locking.
It's the locking mechanism. That's what did it.
Ready for coffee?
Yeah. Air streams as far as the eye can see.
There's already red LED lights all over.
All right, let's go in there.
Ooh. Okay, this is wild. The kitchen, a nice little sink, I think a 2-burner stove, a microwave, a little baby microwave, but it's probably all you need. Here's your fridge.
Crack that fridge open. What do we got in there?
Nothing.
Nothing. Should be full of something. You getting in the bathroom?
No.
Get in that bathroom. I got to see this. All right, there's the shower.
All right, if you're 5'2", you'll fit, but not if you're not 5'2".
Can you turn around? Can you pirouette?
I can turn around with a purse and a coffee. So I think
Not bad. I am not getting in that bathroom.
Although you could not fit in the restroom, and you basically can't fit in the kitchen, you would definitely be able to fit on the bed.
Because this side folds up for sure.
And this comes out. This is a huge bed.
Yeah. Can we jump out the back?
I can't with coffee.
You can't, but you can without coffee?
Woo! Oh, this is a totally different layout. This is interesting. It's another kind of Sprinter van style. You have your 2 chairs that are swivel. You can sit here and have plenty of workspace, and the table even expands somehow.
Somehow, yes.
Which is amazing. An itty bitty little kitchen-y thing. Oh, there's no stove here. I don't know what this is. Oh, I guess it's just a sink.
It's just, that's the sink?
I was like, Okay, this is the tiniest little Airstream I've ever seen. I'm so excited to go in. Oh, they have a wonderful little dinette set right when you walk in, and some storage up top. 2-burner stove, a sink, microwave and fridge, of course, and the bed.
I have much more headspace on this one.
Oh, you do?
Can I get in it? All right, hold up. Hold up, here we go. Let's do this thing. I'm gonna go with, no.
No? Maybe not for 6'5".
Not quite. This one's all right. Much roomier. Oh, wow. So much roomier. And it opens on this backside a lot. All right, the bed, very big. Walk around, you can walk around that sucker. Here's the moment of truth.
The shower test.
Shower test. Oh, shower's this side, bathroom, toilet's that side. So,
Nope.
Nope.
Good try, good try.
That's all right.
Hey. Oh, she's so cute. It's all bed. It's all bed. Now, I think it's probably a full-size bed, but it's the whole thing. And one little closet. Nice. And a little storagey situation over here.
Cuts through.
And I can still brush my teeth from this side.
There you go. These are the big boys.
I'm ready for
The
my tea.
couch is nicer than the one in our house.
4 burners, regular size microwave. They even have a little oven here, which I think is fantastic. As someone who cooks all the time, that is great. Now imagine just mountains on the other side.
Yes, obviously. Not
want.
another RV.
Not another RV.
I think these are the kind that if we sold our house, we would still not have nearly enough money.
Wow. Everything is leather. This is spectacular. This is really amazing. Cutest little dinner banquette I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. Just enough for 2 people.
See this pantry for you to be jealous of?
Another pantry. It's lit up and everything. Look how long these are. Oh my goodness. Y'all, there are lights everywhere. I am green with jealousy. This place is amazing. The wonderful world of RVs. A TV window.
Yes, there's the TV.
It has a TV window
and
on
then there's
outside.
the kitchen window.
This bathroom is way bigger.
Yeah.
I literally cannot touch even close.
I have plenty of headroom.
Yeah. Look at the little dishwasher. That's fantastic.
I'm glad they put that in there for me.
Yeah. He's the dishwasher. Our deal is I cook all the meals, but I don't do a dish. I have not done a dish in 30 years. That's okay because he hasn't cooked in 30 years. For the real reason that we're actually here is we're shopping for a Class C. We want to be able to drive our home, but it also has to be small enough that's reasonable. So for us, I think this will be the perfect size. And this is the first one we're walking in at the whole expo. But I love how compact it is, and we really don't need more than this for just the 2 of us now that the kids are out of the house. Good sized bathroom. All right, here's the test.
For the big measurement.
Can Rustin fit? Because there's a pop-up
for my giant
in
head.
the shower.
Oh, there's moderate.
It can happen. It can happen.
Amount. I would have to do this number.
That's okay.
You would let me sacrifice that?
I would.
The RV of your choice. And the next test is, can we both get into this?
Well, maybe this isn't the RV for us, but it's a good place to start.
It's a good place to start. Well, they're definitely trying to sell me this RV. Because they got the hockey game on.
Maybe we sleep up here. Maybe we sleep in the bed in the back. It could go either way.
She's mad at me. Maybe I sleep here.
Okay, this one is completely different. It is a Class C, which is what we're looking for, but I want a dedicated bed. That being said, this is kind of a cool way to do it. There is a flat bed up here, which is a little small for the 2 of us. A beautiful dinette set, which what I do love is there's cup holders. That's pretty fun. But the bed is this couch, and you hit the button, it rolls out, and you have a bed.
If you could go hit the button. Are you afraid to hit the button?
I'm not hitting the button. I'm not doing it.
So we're gonna imagine if you will, that this folds down
Yes.
to here as a bed. That's what we're gonna imagine. But that way it's a ton of open space.
It is a ton of open space. I grant you that for sure. I think this one is an actual contender for us. This has a huge bed option with plenty of headroom. I very much enjoy the little ladder.
Yes.
The kitchen is huge. Look at all this counter space. It's absolute heaven. And this is the trash can hole. They have thought of everything.
The trash can hole.
Trash can hole. The slide out. Is there a slide out? There isn't a slide out.
Oh, no, that's a slide out.
It is?
Isn't it?
No.
Has to be.
It's
Look
not.
how wide it is.
But whether it is or isn't, you can still get around the bed, which is my most important piece.
Yeah.
It's really spacious in here without being very long.
Big, huge. Is that open? Do those open?
They do.
How? Oh my goodness, look at the storage. That's a lot of storage.
That's a lot. Plus it has 4 drawers as well. Storage all above the bed. And then the restroom is big enough. Now seeing something that I might have to implement in my own kitchen at home. There's under lighting. Okay, this is a teeny tiny one. Look at this huge couch that could fold down. Not ideal for a work at home situation in general, but I'm totally here for it. I might take back what I just said. Look how big this section is. It's actually pretty extensive of a bed. All right, this might be big enough after all. But I do enjoy how small it is. Like, I think it'd be so easy to be able to drive wherever we want, not have to worry about parking spots. Like, it would fit wherever you want it to.
So this one, totally different layout than the other ones. It's almost got like a 2-couch situation. Obviously, this is where the bed and this stuff all lays down. Make a nice big bed. It's tight, no slide outs on it. It's much more compact, that's for sure. The bathroom. Oh, it's got another mirror in here. That's not bad, actually. This is okay. TV up here.
A good workstation right there.
Yeah, absolutely. This could work.
And what I really like is the overhead is not a bed, it's actual storage.
Okay, well, I think we have seen just about every RV in existence at this point. We looked at some great big ones, we went into some little bitty ones, but we did do some shopping for the Class C that we are actually kind of in the market for, trying to see if we could find something that fits. We've got a few floor plans that we think are going to work. We'll see.
We're really excited at the prospect of the next part of life, if you will, and how are we going to travel the world. Hi, we're at the... Wait. I'm trying to give you the phone.
Oh, okay.
And I don't know. Okay, for the real reason we're here, we're actually shopping for a, oh my goodness. Okay, for the real, you're gonna have to back up.
All right, I need to back up. Straight back. Yep.